Hey, you need help with that? Go away, Sneeze. But there might be a particle of dust in your nose. I got it. I can just blow my nose. I don't need your help. Are you sure you can just blow it out, or do you need a violent full-body convulsion? I said no, Sneeze. Fine, jeez. Psych! Hi-ya! Oh, that one hurt my neck. Oh, go away, Sneeze. No one likes you. Well, what about Cough? Why is he allowed to stay? No one likes Cough either, but at least he's needed sometimes. Thanks, I guess. Go away, Sneeze. I mean it. Fine. Whoa, I'm glad he's gone. What a loser. What did I tell you about coming around here, Hiccup?